Hi, Cubbies. Are you ready to see our good friend Cubby Bear? Let's call for him together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Cubby!
hi everyone.
Cubby, you look like you're trying to dry off. How did you get wet?
Well, the water splashed on me when Timothy and I were in the boat.
The boat? But I thought you said Timothy's boat was too small to ride in.
It is. We were in a real boat.
A real boat? Wait, did Timothy's dad take you in the fishing boat?
Well, not exactly. We were playing with Timothy's little toy boat by the creek when I saw his dad's fishing boat lying on the shore. I went over to sit in it. I just wanted to see what it felt like to sit in a real boat.
This doesn't sound good.
Timothy came over, and we started playing a game in the boat. I guess we were moving around too much because soon the boat slid into the water with Timothy and me in it.
I was afraid that was what was going to happen. What did you do? Were you scared?
Well, at first I was a little scared, but then I saw a fish swimming close to the boat, and I like fish.
Well, fish can be fun to watch. How many did you see?
Let's see. We saw 1, 2, 3. Oh, boys and girls, will you count with me? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We saw 12 fish in all, and we could have counted more. But sometimes I like to catch fish between my paws, like other bears do. But Timothy's now teaching me how to use a fishing pole.
Well, I'm glad you're becoming a better fisherman, Cubby, but I want to know how you got off of that boat. You shouldn't have gone to the creek by yourselves. It's very dangerous.
I know. We got into trouble. I'll tell you about it next time. Right now, I need to take a towel to Timothy because he's wet too. See you later, Cubbies.
Bye, Cubby. All right, Cubbies. Well, I'm glad that Cubby Bear and Timothy are actually safe. And it sounds like they might be doing a better job of following the rules now. You know, Cubby was pretty excited about becoming a better fisherman. And today in our lesson, we're going to learn about some fishermen in the Bible who Jesus taught to become fishers of men. Bye, Cubbies. We'll see you next week.